Morning class. I am your English teacher Aditi Day. Okay students, I hope you all are well at home. So, as you all know that yesterday I have explained lesson 16 interjections of English language beta. Today I am going to start with your new chapter, that is lesson 12, Ravi and the Weeping Princess part 1 beta. In this chapter is about a small boy named Ravi. So he is very excited because the day is Sunday and there was no school, and he is saw outside a nice bright day, so he is very happy. That's why, because his friend Ashok has promised him to come and play with him football. But when he come downstairs to the kitchen, and his mama is cooking the dosa in the kitchen, so his mama served the dosa. He is eating the dosa, and half of the dosa when finished, so clouds are roaring outside. So his mother said that today is also there will be rain after some time. So now he will be very sad for that. So the chapter is about Ravi and the Weeping Princess. You have to go through it and listen it carefully. I am explaining the chapter, so let's start the explanation, beta.
Morning class. As you all know that yesterday I have completed your lesson 16 of English language beta. Today I am going to start with your new lesson 12, Ravi and the Weeping Princess part 1 of your English literature course book beta. So I am going to start. Listen it carefully, children. A shaft of light fell on Ravi's face as he lay asleep in his room. A shaft of light means a ray of light fell on Ravi's face as he lay asleep in his room. Means he is sleeping in his room. A ray of light fell on his face. He woke suddenly. Means he wake up. He sat up. He sit for a while. Rubbed his eyes and stretched. And rubbed his eyes and stretched his hands. He gave a big yawn and climbed out of bed. He gave a big yawn. Yawn means high. Okay. And climbed out of bed. Come out of his bed. Ravi was pleased that it was a nice bright day because his friend Ashok had said he would come and play football with him. Ravi was very pleased, means very happy that it was a nice bright day. Day is very good because his friend Ashok has said that he would come and play football with him. So it was Sunday also, so there was no school, but it had rained the whole week, so the boys were looking forward to a game of football. Means from few days ago there is whole week raining is there, so they forward to play the game of football. He washed and changed, then ran downstairs to the kitchen. Means Ravi came down and come to the kitchen where his mother was cooking dosas. When he came to the kitchen, he saw his mother was cooking the dosa. Ravi loved eating dosas and always looked forward to breakfast on Sunday. Ravi loved to eat dosa and always looked forward to breakfast on Sunday, because you all know that Sunday is special. So always Sunday some special breakfast is done by mom, na? So as Ravi was halfway through his first dosa, there was a loud crash and a deep rumbling sound from outside. Ravi was halfway through his first dosa, means half of the dosa he has finished. Then there was a loud crash sound of clouds roaring and deep rumbling sound from outside. That sounds like thunder, Ravi said Ravi's mother. This is the sound of made by the roaring clouds. That's why Ravi's mother said, I think we are going to get some more rain today. Now, mother of Ravi is saying that we are going to get today some more rain. Ravi left his dosa and ran outside. Now, Ravi, half of the dosa he has finished and half of the dosa he left and ran outside. Go outside to see how the weather is. He looked up into the sky and his face became sad. Now he's looking up to the sky and his face became very sad. Over the town in the west, there were huge thunder clouds. Now, over the town means where Ravi lives, over the town in the west, there were huge thunder clouds, means rain is going to be started. They were moving towards Ravi's house, and he could see that already the hills in the distance were covered with mist. Mist means fog. Now they are moving towards Ravi's house. Means clouds are moving towards Ravi's house, and he could see that the hills in the distance from his house were covered with mist fog. It will soon be raining here, he thought to himself. Now it will be going to be rain outside, and then Ashok won't come. So Ashok would not come today. Ravi pushed his hands deep into his pocket and kicked a stone that was on the path. Now Ravi pushed his hands means he pushed his hands into his pocket and take out a stone, and that was on the path. Gloomily means sadly, he walked back to the house now. As Ravi got to his doorstep, he heard the sound of a car on the road. When Ravi come out of his doorstep, he's standing at his door. He heard the sound of a car on the road. He turned to see an old man Austin motor car pull up outside his gate. Now he saw there a Austin motor car, mean drive a car drive by his uncle, a tall grey-haired Englishman. Who was there? A tall grey-haired Englishman is standing outside of his house. Come to the next page. Stepped out of the car. The Englishman came out of his car. Ravi ran to the gate to meet him. Now Ravi ran fast and go to meet him. Hello, Uncle Mike, cried Ravi as the Englishman came through the gate. Hello, Uncle Mike. The person who is standing out of his gate is Uncle Mike, cried Ravi as the Englishman came through the gate. Uncle Mike was an old friend. Uncle Mike was an old friend of his house. At one time, he had worked with Ravi's father. He is Ravi's father's good friend. He often came to see the family on Sunday, and it was usually at breakfast time because he loved dosas too. Oftenly means sometimes. He oftenly come to see his family on Sunday, and it was usually at the time of breakfast because he also loves to eat dosas. He thought that Ravi's mother was the best cook in the world. And the Englishman you are looking in the picture, seeing in the picture, he is Ravi's uncle named Mike. Okay, Uncle Mike. And he thought that his mother is the best cook in the world. Uncle Mike held up a large brown packet. You are seeing in the picture one large packet is held by Uncle Mike. He is giving it to Ravi. Ravi opened the packet. He is saying that Ravi opened the packet. In it there was an old album and a metal box. In this there was an old album and a metal box. Whatever can be this be? Now Ravi is asking that whatever can this be? He asked as he opened the box. He is asking, what is this, uncle? Why are you giving it to me? Stamps. Uncle said that stamps. He yelled as the whole box tipped over and hundreds of colorful stamps poured out onto the floor. When you open the box, you can see that hundred of colorful stamps are in the poured out onto the floor. Means by chance the stamps are fallen on the floor. In the album too, there were hundreds of stamps stuck in neat rows on each page. And this is the box, brown box, in which album is there, which is stuck by the many stamps in a neat rows on each page. This, said Uncle Mike, is my old stamp album. Uncle Mike is giving the brown box and he's saying that it is my collection of old stamp. It is album. When I was young, I used to collect stamps. When I was very small and I was young, always used to collect the stamps. I thought that you would like them, and I thought the Englishman Uncle Mike is saying that I know that you also like them. That's why I'm giving you. As my own children are all grown up now and have gone abroad. Uncle Mike is saying that my children are all grown up and they gone abroad. So most of the stamps are very common, ordinary ones, but I am sure you will have lots of fun sorting them out. He is saying that the most of the stamps are very common, ordinary ones, but I am sure that you will lots of fun with sorting them out. There are no really rare stamps in the collection. Uncle is saying that there is no really rare stamps in the collection, means mostly common stamps are there. However, I am sure that if you continue to collect stamps, one day you will find a rare one. And if you sort out it properly, you can find out the rare one. His eyes twinkled and he smiled at Ravi. His eyes were twinkled and he smiled with Ravi. Now children, you can complete up to this. Okay, go through this. If you feel any problem, you can ask me. Okay, so go through the chapter, half of the part today. Okay, thank you beta.